asa to? Jiufen.
Yehliu.
And
Shifen.
Maroon mo atog kuan ka nang mag-tour nga wa. Balo asa to.
Sunod-sunod ang
Gani. Karon kay medyo ano na siya init pero wala ta kabalo kasi unya kalit nagtaking.
So, doble-doble ang
We came prepared actually.
fur.
Pension lang yun.
Yeah, there. Klook. For the available for the White Hassle.
Sabi niya.
Amo, madam. Ang class president. I miss. Ramang bus. Okay, for.
Diba na? Grabe, change mo. Sa kadagang manigarilyo diri.
Sigarilyuhan ng legit. Ramang bus. Buzzable.
With ED?
Buzzable. One 191 77 ZZ. The possibility.
The tickets together is $120 per person. If a kid is under 12 years old, it's half price. Okay. If you pay the money additionally to buy the tickets already, please open your vouchers for me to check. I want to make sure you can get in the Geopark. Okay. Thank you.
谢谢。
The weather is so wonderful. The sea is so beautiful. Very big island in the back is a Keelung Island. When you see the Keelung Island and the Eastern Sea, it means Yehliu Geopark is around the corner. Our bus is same as an airplane. If you
Antique.
1990 ay 1960 pagka pa yung next 2025 mo na nga batog kailangan kung gusto ko makita batog ka
Itong bato no? Itong bato? Nakangkan din siya no?
okay dapat yung dagat hangin
Kung nalang na ako, pagkabuyat.
wala Bada wow Look, ito sa balok. Candle Rock. Ano, may tao.
I'll fix the file with some tapioca. It's just a language we cut it out. A little more than a little cry. If you need to cry, oh, I'll be your shoulder. I'll fix the file with some tapioca.
Init. For the fur.
Niya manigit pi. Ang baro ko niya init karon. Pero niya hanggaran ko. Ano pa yun?
Lang
Dili uy, langgam uy.
Kamuti. Sa toro.
Ah, wala man yata. Bawal man yata mag-drum diri.
I'm leaving home for the coastline. Someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time.
Ato na mo diri guys kay basi next year maputol na ni siya.
Rana na siya.
Mo na siya.
This
Super hot.
super hot.
There's a place that I
So good mo.
where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season and lose all sense of time. I'm moving far away. Where I can free my mind.
Here sa Shifen. Hindi na ka sa butuan. Wala. Siguro nino. Sa ka na pagkabayo. Pagkabayo.
Mamuta na eh. Ang wala. Na to ang tour guide. Kawa na to. Yeah. So big.
Let's make it big.
Look. We're going up, 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 yun. Lantern? So, dili ito mag-lantern? Dili pa. Hindi, puro sa taas, no? At parang kita makisingit, dara? Tara. Kaso makita ang mga tao. Gani. Ay, di, oh. Ano?
When you said top, I thought you meant like top.
Nagbibita.
Oh.
Nagbibita
You guys didn't even notice. Yeah. I was like top, and I'm like top. Oh, you guys are.
Green ang green tea.
Asa?
Eating again. I'm very hungry. Pero tapos.
Offers a travel for 5:10 p.m. is next week. Morning time, main point is here.
你怎么还没看花灯节？要显化了吗？
One chicken. Okay, number one. Okay, got it. You take number four.
Ano din siya? Ano na nagingkit?
Ikaw sa...
Number
Yan, nag-iinit naman.
You need carefully real fast.
Sold out. Taste test.
Please test.
Hit number 12. Hit number 8. Hit number
Rice.
Number 8. Wonderful. You need carefully.
Init pa?
Lasang chicken.
Nanay rice. Malagkit.
Okay. Okay lang. Nothing special.
Hindi, sa mura lagi sausage. Ha? Itong sausage nga ginapalit. Ito, di na mawala, no?
Dili, pink ako ah. Pink yun. Pink ko. Isa-isa man tag-side pitch no.
Dili ka nang magsilatas. Bis kang asa na sa'yo.
Tanan? Tanan ko. Ganaan na to. Dili na. Dili isa na siya. Isa na dyan. Isa. Isa. Duha tulo, no? Pag mahuman na ito, ilan na ito? Saan ni siya? Red o pink? Okay, red, pink, o yellow, o blue?
It's automatic, the way you pull me a little closer with us, ain't no word at all. And it's like a movie scene I've seen before. scary as hell, but I love the thrill. Don't know where this thing's headed, but at night, girl, it feels. If you want, then we could go slow. You got your baggage so packed, and I'm ready to roll. Let's go flying higher, supersonic vibing. Babe, this is a one-way trip. Yeah, let's go flying higher, supersonic vibing. Baby, with you I win, with you I'm in. Babe, this is a one-way trip. It's like we're taking a little chance to skid away in jet to Manila or Paris, France. I'm sentimental about what we have. If you trust your heart in the palm of my hand, it's all good.
Sige, for the paldo.
Baby,
May blue kasi, so ano.
Kanimot naman ko. Sige. Pagi ta.
Good, good.
Good, good, good.
Good to go.
Are you good?
Wish to come true. Amen.
Ready?
We're ready.
Hello, two hands. Kamara na. Wait a minute. Okay. On na. 1, 2, 3. Later.
Chinchi.
Right, hold her.
Hold it.
Yeah.
Yahoo!
Later, 1, 2, 3, okay?
Okay. This one. Ay! In it.
Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go!
now girl, it feels. If you want, then we could go slow. You got your baggage so packed, and I'm ready to roll. Let's go fly high, supersonic vibing. Babe, this is a one-way trip.
Check it out, machine. Take a look at me. Your pose, 1, 2, 3. I change your pose. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you. 谢谢，谢谢。啊，去什么活动？我一下 train。Okay, itong peanut ice cream. O, kaon pa pag peanut ice cream. Gusto ko yun, okay?
Yun, patay mga 30.
Gani.
Kaunta ako. Hala, ang milk tea ba? Basig diri ako. Pero mag...
Có chơi lì đâu ở chi đâu à.
Pero kayo ang tiramisu cake. I-picture na ko. Ay ba, ma-stress ka ni? Kung saan itong ginaingon ni Uncle ganina about sa kuan katong
test. Taste test. Cheers. Cheers.
Dumi lang ha, anak ko yung 50. Eh, kisa to. Kasi nabalik na to.
Yeah.
Ako nang gi-add.
How was it?
Ah!
Sakit sa hip mo na.
Ano yan? Kakaiba, no?
Let's go.
May galing, pakita ang picture ka.
Ay, sana all.
Tara si Uncle, oh. Puno ng baog sigaon. Yummy.
Manang sa tayo. Galaw gaw. Medyo masasuka ko dili.
Basta ang mata lang yung magkita na ano makuha ko rin sa ka ng mag-develop ani mga future ano mo rin kasi makita sa mata ba no para ma-appreciate yung team mo ano para ano mata kabata pa pero mga ko extra dili ka na ganin ng atangog ka ng buwang buki mag-green dito green green dali lamig na mabili sa diyan.
Cut.
Laaga na ta nagabi.
Di na mo.
Ay kana ganing mga paranormal.
Gosh.
Gabi ba yan? Ingana mo yan ng green ng kuhan. Soko. Beach. So man. Sasabihin ko. Wala siya. Usha. May pangit ang isang cellphone.
Hi, Jeffrey, please get close to me. Okay, I share information with you. Keep to the right. Keep to the. Hey, Jeffrey, get close to me. Keep to the right. I share.
Hindi yan ito doon sa to ka na mga undred. Just milk ko. Lasa na na.
Diretso lang po muna tayo. Malagay mo dito yung I will not like this. I will prefer our wing. No.
Oh my God, it got darker, so I just have them color, you know, blonde.
I wish that so far.
How much? 500? Can I touch? Okay. Touch. Pila? 500? Manila cake. Dapat maging anak po damish, pero malaki ang tabu, ramis. Halagwa siya, oh. Pero basin ka na siya, nabal ano nga, mas nag...
Oh, nangutan ang tandaan.
Iyon sa good ng wifi, wala ko na po.
Mayo, yeah.
Sino ko pala itong coaster?
Hoy.
Cute na. Wala daw.
Miming man. Picture na.
Purchase? Sige tayo. Kapag pa-picture po to show kayo mang budol. Let's take a picture. We will bring it to Philippines.
Thank you, Philippines.
Okay, one more. Okay, one more time. Okay, sige na, shishi.
Napay pa smile. Anong ngit-ngit man din ako magkaon. Dagan ko. Ganyan po siya mag-picture.
Gutom na niya. Mag-duty pa ko. Wow!
Wow.
Thank you, Lord, for the food.
We play hard again, and babe, I think I like it. And you got me running in circles round you. It ain't enough for me to just want you, and I want it dead. Don't want you to fall so hard and just say yes. I could just hide it for the whole damn room. There's something that you do.